today on a very large addition and remodel of a patio. It's a little over 2,000 square feet of actual material, which is quarter sawn, white oak, our profile number 304. It is a 5 1/4 inch facing, including the gap, which a lot of people call it nickel gap. So what we want to talk about today is this was new addition of trusses, and the framers go in with what we like to see a minimum of 5/8, if not 3/4 ACX plywood screwed off just like drywall to the bottom of the joist or the trusses. And we want to talk about why that's important. It's going to yield you more material because you're not having to always cut in 2-foot increments for your joists or trusses. You can nail it really anywhere on that plywood. Also important is using tight bond or wood glue. What the wood glue is going to do is not going to allow the material to move. With this white oak job, our longest board here is 11 feet. We sell a tremendous amount of hemlock, and a lot of times it's 16 and 20 footers. Even though it's kiln dried, 20-foot board, if it just even shrinks a 1/16 per side, that's going to give you an 1/8 inch gap. So if you glue it, you're going to have a lot less of that and the chance of it ever gapping. And also, even on those long boards, we even recommend to biscuit the ends, and that way you're almost guaranteed that it's going to be very difficult to shrink. Which we're not doing here. We're just going to glue this material. Like I said, we have everything down to just a little less than 3 foot, all the way up to the 11-foot board. So whatever glue you use, Type bond sort of dominates the industry around here. You're just getting crazy with it.
I always try to re-chalk the lines to where the actual trusses were. I go about every 6 inches. Since we're here on the end, it's going to get covered by stone. I'm going to face nail it. It's always going to hold a little bit better.